Today, I'm going to show you how to set Firefox New Tab as your homepage in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setting if you want Firefox to open on a clean start page every time, instead of a blank screen or a different website. It's quick, easy, and once you do it, your browser will feel a lot more personalized. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and find the three horizontal lines. This is called the hamburger menu, and it gives you access to Firefox's main settings and controls. Click that menu to open it. Now from the list that appears, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can change different parts of your browser experience, including your homepage, privacy options, search settings, and more. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Home. Click on Home to open the homepage settings. This is the area where Firefox lets you control what appears when you open a new window or a new tab. Now look for the section labeled Homepage and New Windows. Under that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click the drop-down menu and select Firefox Home, which is the default option. Choosing Firefox Home means your new tab or homepage will use Firefox's built-in start page instead of another custom page. Once you select Firefox Home, the change is applied right away. There's no extra save button needed in most cases, so you can simply close the Settings tab and test it out. Open a new tab or restart Firefox, and you should now see the Firefox homepage as your default start page. If you ever want to change it again later, just come back to the same Home section and choose a different option. Firefox makes it easy to customize your browser whenever you want. So that's how to set Firefox New Tab as homepage in Firefox. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browsing experience much smoother and more convenient. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy browser tips, and I'll see you in the next video.